When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are we doing? Compliment of the season to each and every one of you. Happy New Year. I have not properly said Happy New Year to my returning subscribers, to my friends and family. I've not really said Happy New Year to my amazing subscribers. I just want to use this opportunity to say Happy Glorious New Year. We are in 2022 and I target our year of abundance, our year of breakthrough, our year of blessings. This year, oh my God, God has enough. And when I mean enough, so many things in stock for we, his children. I just want to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. I want to say thank you to you all for making my 2021 a memorable year for me. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am not taking your love for granted. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being a part of my life. Thank you for being a part of the unique channel. Thank you for everything. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. And if it's your first time of seeing this face, Mama V Unique, please consider to subscribe, like, share my video, tell somebody to tell somebody there is something happening here. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. I really appreciate you all. Thank you. And a quick one, I'm not going to take your time. I just want to chip in something. In this year 2022, what is your New Year resolution? What have you know what I mean by New Year resolution? What have you decided to do this year? This year is a great year, and this year will be a wonderful year to each and every one of us. So what is your New Year resolution? What I mean by New Year resolution is for you to sit down and reflect your last year, what you did last year that you feel that is wrong and you didn't get it right and you want to make an amend. Is a time of reflection. It is a time for you to reflect, for you to, do something new, forgive and make amend. Tell yourself, these are one of the things I didn't do well in the year 2021, and this year 2022, I want to make amend. I want to change. I want to turn around and be a better person. I want to do this right. What is your New Year resolution? That is what the question is. You sit down and you tell yourself, I need to work hard this year. I need to put more effort in whatever I'm doing this year. I want to achieve this. I want to make out something good in my life. You sit down and reflect. You sit down and think about your life. You sit down and give your life a meaning. You sit down, tell yourself that I am going to be in competition with myself to bring out the best in me. You just keep using a good affirmation on yourself, telling yourself, I'm going to do better this year. I know last year I didn't do much better, but this year I am going to put more effort to do better. That is what we should be doing this year. This year is a blessed year for all of us. All we need to do is just put more effort, push ourselves a little, keep on trying. God said, have a channel, have something you're doing, and I will bless the works of your hand. Just tell yourself, even if you don't have anything doing last year, tell yourself, I will have something to do this year. I will make out something out of my life. I will push more to make something out of my life. Have a New Year resolution. What is your New Year resolution? Have you sit down and ask yourself, what you have decided to do this year to be a more better person? What is your New Year resolution? That is the question. Have you sit down to think about it? Have you sit down, to reflect back? Have you sit down to make a change in your life? What is your New Year resolution? That is the question. Despite all that has been going on, you are alive in the land of the living. Last year, 2019 was a year of disaster. There was a lot of disaster. The world was as if it is coming to an end. But you are alive. You made it into 2021. Didn't that ring a bell Didn't that ring a bell? Didn't that signify something to you? You just have to have a New Year resolution. You made it into 2022. Those that are 6 feet under, those that couldn't make it, you are not better off. But it's just by His grace, it's just by His mercy that we all are not consumed, that we made it into 2022. Remember last year, so many disastrous things happened. So many terrible things happened. You are alive, I'm alive. Just sit back and have a New Year resolution and tell yourself, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do best in this year. These are the things I am going to do. You don't need to keep grudges or start having malice or start quarreling people. You don't need it. You see this heaven, everybody they hustle. Heaven and a hustle stage with you. You just have to make out something good out of your lifestyle. Guys, I'll be drawing the curtain close. But before I do that, just sit down and think. Sit down and reflect back. Sit down and know where you didn't get it right. And make sure you amend. Make sure you do it right. Make sure you bring out the best in you. Make sure you're in a competition with yourself to bring out the best in you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And I want to say thank you. Please guys, subscribe to my video.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining.